Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am absolutely thrilled to show you this doll in this banged up box. We have this weird thrift store near our home, and they have like used stuff, and then they have like, they buy in lots and then they sell it. I have been looking for another. I have a couple of these dolls in box. The boxes are perfect, that I did not open, and I didn't. I'm a box collector. I had wanted one of the Amaya Rains, and I kept hoping I'd find one thrifting, but I just couldn't, and I couldn't find any on sale anywhere or anything. Well, we walked into the thrift store by chance, and they had these. Look at the price, $18. And as we walked in the store, they told us anything with a pink tab or a pink tag or I don't know, they named some other colors, was 30% off. When I saw this in the front, I grabbed her. And as I was walking through the store, of course, I was looking for more. I had found, who did we found? We found Poppy, first series, Poppy and Ruby for $12 there, and I bought a few of those. That's been a while. So I was absolutely thrilled. Well, anyway, I went to the counter, and it never hurts to ask. I said, would you take a little bit more off of her since the box is so messed up? And she called the manager over and hemmed hawed, and she looked it up, and she said, well, those are $69 dolls. I said, well, if the package is, not a mess like this, I said, that's really crushed, and those are for people that are collecting in the box. Anyway, she brought it down to 16 with the 30% off. We ended up getting her for like 13 and some change. I was thrilled. So there were two, and I bought two. I will be opening one of these boxes because I need the 10-inch Amaya Rain for a video I have coming up. I have her in the Poopsie Surprise times 3, and I have her in the 28-inch. What do I have? 2 of those or 3 of those? On another day, we went to Walmart. Well, I have been watching these dolls. That's not a good one. I can't hardly see her face. Let's see if we can pull that off a little bit. I've been watching these gorgeous dolls since Valentine's Day. And it was like the day after Valentine's Day, they had this girl. Forgive me, I can't keep up with their names. They had this diva in the silver for $15. They only had the one, and I bought it. Well, these were at that time marked 30, and I told Darren they had 3. I said, I'm going to take a chance and wait. So they brought them down to 25, and they sat at 25, and they sat at 25. I said, if they go 15, I'm just going to buy whatever they have. Well, they did go to 15. I kept going in. When we were in town, I'd run in and take a look, and they still had 3. So I bought, I can't get this one out of the bag. Oh, the tag stuck. Oh, this is the one I should have shown you. You can see a pretty face. I love this doll. I love the clothes. She is absolutely gorgeous. I love the gold. I love the metallic. What?
You can see me in the reflection.
So I bought all 3 at 15. You can't, go online and try to find just that dress for 15 or just this dress for 15. You can't. And it's like I pointed out before, these little items, the only place other than here that I've seen them that you can buy them, kind of like them, are in those blind bag things, and they're $10 a shot, and you don't even know if you're getting them. So then, in the same clearance from after our Valentine's Day, actually, they did have those because I had seen them. They also had Barbie Extra, and she was marked, what was she marked at first? I think she was also 25 at first, and I really like this girl. She's really beautiful. The clothes, they keep trying things, and some people like them, some people don't, but I love that face. I love that skin. Just a gorgeous, the hair is what I really like. And if you can see it, our sunlight is really bad this morning. She also has like copper tinsel in her hair. I'm in. I love it. Anyway, they were marked 25. Then they went down to 15. And they stayed at 15 and stayed at 15 and stayed at 15. And I caught one of the workers and I said, will you be marking these down? And they said, yes, but I can't do it. You have to wait till Tuesday for somebody to come in. And I didn't go Tuesday, but when we went that Friday, I caught someone and asked them, and they took them down to $10 each. And believe it or not, I only bought 2. But if the other one's still sitting there, there's a chance it'll find its way in my cart. They had 2, I bought 2, and one of the reasons I'm getting ready to do a shout out for a collab I've been working on. I had bought, well, now you can't see this girl's face. She's absolutely gorgeous and has the same, no, you can't see it. She has melon colored hair. It does not have the tinsel in it like this one, but she also has that thicker body. Darren is such a good guy. I am so blessed. When I'm fabric shopping, he asks me, what patterns are you looking for? And he grabs these up when they're on sale. And he grabs, you know, enough that, oh, don't fall like dominoes. He grabs these up so that I can mail them out and do collabs with people. And what I want to do, I have, what do I have of these? 4 or 6. I think I have 7 and one's for me of this girl. And then I have, what did I count? 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 patterns plus my own. And what I want to do is send this out. And this pattern right here is what we're all going to make for this doll. If you have this doll and you want to join in, let me know, because I have more patterns than I do, or any Barbie really. But I have more patterns than I do dolls. But what I'm trying to do right now is a prototype to see how it's going to fit. I'm betting it's going to take some adjusting for the thicker body. But I'm trying it now. When I saw her, I thought, you know what? I'd like to try that on her too. So I'm probably going to make 2 of those outfits for my collab when I do my video, and try it on each. Anyway, that's in the works. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you're interested in this sort of collab. And subscribe. It is for my active subscribers. That is, people who subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, leave likes and comments.